That's right. eBay doing the coupon again. 15% off the entire site. They're announcing get HomePods for 306, but it goes for everything. It's only good until 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, May 4th. They're running it, May the 4th be with you, which is why I opened with that music. The promo code is PMAY4TH. I'll put it down in the description box. That's P May 4th. And it discounts the maximum value of your purchase can be $100. You do have to spend $50. So between $50 and $100, you'll save 15% off. So that's going to be $7.50 up to $15 of savings. If there's something you were going to buy anyways, then probably worth using it. They did this a while back and they're doing it again. So I just want to put it out there in case anybody wanted to buy anything today off eBay. 15% off today, only May 4th. You've got about 5 more hours from the time this video posts. I'm getting it up right away. I just saw this. I didn't notice it this morning. But there you go. May the 4th be with you, and 15% off eBay's entire website.